Some places on Earth will kill you in seconds. Others do it so quietly, you never even wake up. We're counting down the 7 most dangerous places on the planet, from the hottest to the most poisonous, to an island so deadly, it is illegal to set foot on. But here is the twist. The single deadliest place on Earth isn't any of the terrifying ones you're about to see. It looks like paradise. Keep that in mind. Let's begin. First, what makes a place truly dangerous? It is not just how scary it looks. It is how many ways it can kill you. Heat, cold, poison, pressure, or something you can't even see coming. Some of these places kill with drama. The deadliest one kills in total silence. Remember that as we count down, because it changes everything at the end. Number 7. Death Valley, California. The hottest place ever recorded on Earth. In 1913, the air here hit 56.7 degrees Celsius, 134 degrees Fahrenheit. The ground can reach 90 out here, with no water and no shade. Heat stroke can kill a healthy adult in a matter of hours. Your body simply cannot cool itself fast enough. It is beautiful, and it is merciless. Number 6. Lake Natron, Tanzania. From above, it glows blood red. But this water is a caustic chemical soup, with a pH as high as 12, close to pure ammonia, and it can reach 60 degrees. Touch it, and it burns your skin and eyes. And when animals die in it, the alkaline water preserves them perfectly, turning them to stone-like statues, frozen exactly as they fell. A lake that turns the dead into monuments. Number 5. The top of Mount Everest, a place climbers simply call the death zone. Above 8,000 meters, there is only a third of the oxygen your body needs, and temperatures plunge to -40. Your brain starves. You grow confused, exhausted, and you start to hallucinate. Over 300 people have died up here, and around 200 of their frozen bodies still remain, used by climbers as grim landmarks on the way to the summit. Number 4. The Ijen Volcano in Indonesia. At its heart sits the largest acid lake on Earth, a stunning turquoise crater filled with concentrated sulfuric acid with a pH near 0. At night, ghostly electric blue flames pour down its slopes, as escaping sulfur gas ignites in the air, and clouds of that toxic gas can suffocate a person in minutes. Yet every day, miners climb down into it, hauling sulfur out by hand, with barely a scarf over their faces. Number 3. The Danakil Depression. In Ethiopia, they call it the gateway to hell. It sits 125 meters below sea level, where temperatures average around 50 degrees all year round. The ground is a field of neon-colored acid pools, bubbling lava lakes, and vents hissing toxic sulfur and chlorine gas. It is one of the only places on Earth that can burn you, poison you, and cook you, all at the same time. Number 2. North Sentinel Island in the Indian Ocean. From a distance, it looks like paradise, white beaches, dense jungle. But it is home to the Sentinelese, one of the last uncontacted peoples on Earth, who have defended their island for tens of thousands of years, and who kill any outsider who comes ashore. They've killed fishermen, and in 2018, an American who tried to reach them. Landing here is now illegal, as much to protect them as to protect you. Number 1. Ilha de Que, Mata Grande, off the coast of Brazil, better known as Snake Island. It is home to the golden lancehead, one of the deadliest vipers alive, whose venom can dissolve human flesh. And here, they exist in unimaginable numbers, by some estimates, up to 5 snakes for every square meter of the island. There is nowhere to step. The danger is so extreme that the Brazilian government has made it illegal for anyone to set foot on the island at all. So there they are, the the 7 most dangerous places on Earth. But now, the twist. Look closely, and you'll notice something strange. Almost none of these places actually kills many people. They're too remote, too extreme, or simply forbidden. So the truly deadliest place on Earth is not any of them. It is somewhere that looks completely, perfectly safe. In the highlands of Cameroon lies Lake Nyos, a calm, beautiful blue lake, ringed by peaceful villages. But deep beneath its surface, enormous amounts of carbon dioxide were slowly building up, dissolved in the water under pressure, like a bottle of soda waiting to be shaken. And on the night of August 21st, 1986, something shook it. In an instant, the lake exploded, releasing a cloud of pure carbon dioxide over a cubic kilometer in size. Invisible, odorless, and heavier than air, it poured silently down the valleys and settled over the sleeping villages. Carbon dioxide suffocates without warning. No pain, no struggle. By morning, 1,746 people were dead, and more than 3,500 animals. Most never woke up. In a single night, that quiet lake killed more people than all 7 of our terrifying places combined across their entire histories. That is what makes it the most dangerous place on Earth. Not how it looks, but the invisible death it hid. There are only 3 lakes like this known on the planet, and one of them, Lake Kivu, sits beneath 2 million people. Today, engineers have run pipes deep into Lake Nyos, slowly venting that trapped gas in a controlled fountain, so the disaster can never repeat. It turns out we can defuse even the deadliest place on Earth once we finally understand it. Because the most dangerous places are almost never the ones that look the part. They're the quiet ones, hiding a danger you'd never see coming.